Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Quilter Financial Planning Review My Usage Experience. Quilter Financial Planning Review My Usage Experience offers a way to review and understand your financial plans provided by Quilter. It's aimed at individuals who have financial plans managed through Quilter and want a clear, accessible overview of their investments and future projections. Key features likely include performance tracking, asset allocation details, and potential future scenario modeling. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Quilter's website highlights the ease of access to your financial plan information. They emphasize clear visualizations of your investments and future projections. They claim a user-friendly interface and straightforward presentation of complex financial data. Availability is limited to existing Quilter clients. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Quilter Financial Planning Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. I simply logged in using my existing Quilter credentials. The interface was surprisingly intuitive. I was able to quickly navigate to my portfolio overview and see a clear breakdown of my asset allocation. I particularly appreciated the interactive charts showing projected growth under different scenarios. The performance was excellent. The site loaded quickly and responded instantly to my inputs. I had a quick question about interpreting one of the charts and their support responded within 2 days via email. I was really impressed by how clearly they presented complex financial information. The standout feature for me was definitely the scenario planning tool, which allowed me to see how different market conditions could impact my retirement projections. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Accessing it on my phone required using the website's mobile interface, which wasn't quite as smooth. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Quilter Financial Planning Review. It's a valuable tool for staying on top of my financial plan and understanding my future prospects. That's my overview of Quilter Financial Planning Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.